Hey guys, welcome to Cloud Flair Technology. In this video we will learn how to add layers in AWS Lambda functions. You can configure your Lambda function to pull in additional code and content in the form of layers. A layer is a .zip file archive that contains libraries, a custom runtime, or other dependencies. Now let us create a simple Lambda function and import a requests module in that function. For this, go to create a function, then select author from scratch, give a name to function, then select the runtime, in our case it is Python 3.7. Now click on create function. Now in lambda function.py file, import the new module name requests. Now let us deploy it and test it, and we will see if it works. Click on deploy. Now click on test, in event name type test and click on create event. Now again click on test. You can see it is giving an error, no module name requests. Lambda could not found the module requests. We can solve this by adding a layer. We can zip all the dependencies and upload that zip on layers. For adding a layer we need to create and zip the package. For this, create a requirement file. Open that file and write down all the package name which we are using in our Lambda function. In our case we are using requests. Now save the file. Open the command prompt. In this case we are going to download all the request library files into this folder, so here I can say pip install -r requirements.txt -- target layer paths, so this will install all the request library files into this folder. So now let's go ahead and check in our folder. We should have a folder called as Python that we created here, and then inside it, we have all the dependencies required for running the request library. So now all we have to do is zip this folder and upload it to the layers in AWS Lambda. Go back and zip the Python folder. Let's go to our Lambda console. Click on layers on left side of the dashboard. Click on create layer. Now give a name to layer. In description mention which library you are importing for future reference. Now upload a zip that has been created earlier. In compatible runtime, select the runtime for which this library is created. You can select multiple runtimes. Here we are selecting Python 3.6, 3.7 and 3.8. Now click on create. Now let's attach this layer to our Lambda function. Go to the Lambda function, under function overview click on layers. Click on add a layer, choose the custom layers, in the drop down menu select the layer which we have created. Now select the version. Click on add. Now let us run the function. Click on test again. You can see our Lambda function is successfully executed. So this is how you can upload the libraries that you want that are not available in the AWS environment through the layers, and directly add those libraries here, and then you can easily use them in your core, and most importantly, you can change the code, you can build your code, right in the console. Thank you for watching the video. In the next video, we will discuss how to implement API gateway to AWS Lambda.